Sir, press matter sir ಅನ್ನೋದು
ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್
press matter ಇದಾವೆ
problem is like
hello
that is fine
hello hello
because I'll get it posted for tomorrow. So no, they have raised it. That is the we have solved it.
ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು
Submission.
submission.
There is a
Notice has been issued regarding 4D against dead person and no notice has been issued to
Fresh
petitioner.
matter.
End of the list.
No, tomorrow.
My lords, the reason is this, the 4D will take place tomorrow at 10.
Tomorrow we'll have it. We'll have it tomorrow. Put it.
Therefore, at the end of the list.
Like if one matter
Or
there
else,
is,
my lords,
Fresh matters list tomorrow. First day.
Fresh matter.
Extra copy.
I have served.
like if one matter issued eviction notice, I have read it's a fresh matter. B group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Tomorrow.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ.
Notice issue ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಮೂರ್ ಸರಿನು ಬಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಬಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬಟ್ ಎವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Preliminary hearing list.
submission.
There is a stay. Since there is a stay, prolonged delay has been caused to the allotment of sites to the members of the society, my lord. Kindly have it tomorrow, my lord. RP is connected with this WP, my lord.
RP.
Review petition is connected with this WP. It was listed yesterday, my lord. There is some urgency. Since there is a stay order, my lords, the allotment of sites has been.
Correct. If it has to be heard, then it can't be done before vacation.
Please, my lords, tomorrow, my lords.
No, if it has to be heard, it can't be done before vacation. I'll have it in the list. Have it in the list. Give it.
Please.
No.
On submission, my lord.
No.
Petitioner unnecessarily interfere for the construction of the building, my lord. Because the government school is there.
Koti.
Jilla Panchayati is considered. Kindly accommodate me tomorrow, my lord.
I don't
Because
know.
otherwise Panchayati will be rejected for the cancellation of the grant, my lord. Government primary school is construction of the
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
I would to accommodate my tomorrow.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? 100 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 100 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್?
Any okay. Otherwise grant cancellation. Kindly accommodate.
Can't help
Day after tomorrow, Friday.
I
my lord.
can't help it. Date
Friday accommodate my list.
court officer will give the date depending on the matters. Above 90 matters, I'm not going to. post.
Otherwise with grant will be
I can't,
cancellation. of the
it's not in my hands, sir. It's not in my hands.
Grants cancel at the
I can't
government
help
primary
it.
school. It is not.
I can't help it.
I submit, humble request. Private gathering, government school.
Date will be given by the court officer depending on how many matters we can fit in the list. Above 90 matters, I am not going to.
But any of my request, my lord, because of government
We'll
school,
consider.
government school, school is going to be fell down. That is a problem for
Consider.
Makkala
Light will consider. Yes.
Saturday issue the eviction notice, Tahsildar, even though property in the Ramtana, they consider.
Put it tomorrow,
Number villages, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ issue.
tomorrow.
My lord,
Fresh matter,
Fresh matter, sir.
tomorrow.
my lord,
Top
notice,
mandamus, my lord. See, petitioner is senior.
Put it.
my lord, notice ಸರ್ವಾಗ್ದೇನೆ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ my lord.
Put it.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸರ್ವ.
Mandamus ಅಂತ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Fresh matter, directing the authorities to
Give it.
issue the circular.
79
Fresh
A and B
matter,
matter.
write fresh matter and give it.
79 A and B matter, it's covered by the division.
The preliminary hearing is stuck.
My lord, the division bench has remanded one SC/ST matter to the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner has initiated proceedings. By suppressing the order of this honorable court, they have filed fresh writ petition challenging the proceedings before the DC and have obtained an interim order purely on abuse in process of law.
Put it.
My lord, on 12/11 it was listed and it was ordered to list next week, my lord. I filed IA for vacating interim order. Any day before vacation may come.
Date code. Tomorrow.
My lord, list number 2, serial number 21, my lord.
Just wait, man. Just
10 minutes, list one, page number 1,
Office objection complaint ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so 2 weeks
Page
time
number.
ಬೇಕಾ?
page number 2, serial number 5 to 14, page number 3, 15 to 23, 14.
that
Mark
request
here.
made on behalf of the petitioner, list the matter in the week commencing from.
of January.
Yes.
Page number 3, serial number 15 to 23, page number 4, 24 to 33, page number 5, 34 to 39, page number 6, 40 to 44, page number 7, 45 to 48, page number 8, 49 to 52, page number 9, 53 to 62, page number 10, 63 to 68, page number 11, 69 to 71, page number 12, 72 to 75, page number 13, 76 to 78, page number 14, 79, page number 15, 80, page number 16, 81, page number 17, 82 to 85, page number 18, 86 to 91, page number 19, 92 to 97, page number 20, 98 and 99. List number 2, office objections, first time matter, serial number 1 to 7, 1 to 7.
4, my lord.
10
My lord,
days-
so serial
just
number.
wait, just 10 days time granted for necessary compliance. Office objections are compliant, is the matter.
My lord, one submission.
ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ರಿ. Yes, if office objections are compliant, is the matter forthwith before the court. Now you mention.
Number 1, my lord.
Yes.
There was regarding to serve a copy on the caveator. We have already taken step and we have filed memo also.
Correct. So when do you want it?
My lord, so can.
Tomorrow?
Next week, my lords.
List the matter in the fresh matters list along with the office objections on.
16th.
Serial
Everything
number
else you
4,
must
my
comply by.
Yes, my lords.
Yes,
Number 3, my lord.
yes.
The only office objection.
So when do
that
you,
we had-
correct, when do you want?
Tomorrow, my lord, we have
list-
complied with the office
List the
objection.
matter in our, in the fresh matters list along with office objections if any.
We have complied. it,
Matters
my lord.
list tomorrow.
Serial number 21, my lord.
But just 1 to 7, we are only at 1.
Serial number 4.
Rakshita.
Yes,
My lord, I will comply that during the course of the, it can be taken on Thursday, my lord, 11th.
list the matter in the fresh matters list on
11.
11.
Serial number 6, my lord.
Huh?
Serial number 6. 2 weeks time may tell you. There are 6
6,
objections.
2 weeks time granted for compliance.
Second time.
Same order.
Second time 8 to 10.
Serial number 8, please, Lakshmi.
Just 1 minute. Same order, weeks time granted for necessary compliance, same order. 9,
Serial number 8,
8,
day after tomorrow, please, Lakshmi.
list the matter in the fresh matters list along with office objections on.
11th.
Yes,
Grateful.
in the interregnum, outstanding office objections to be complied.
Office
Yes.
objection third time, serial number 11 to 15.
Serial number 13, my lord.
Just 1 minute. Weeks time granted, same order.
Serial number 12.
Our, ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು, yes madam.
Serial number 13, my lord. The only office objection was to serve the caveator. I
Correct,
have
so-
served, my lord.
correct. So when do you want it?
Tomorrow, my lord.
List the matter in the fresh matters list tomorrow along with office objections if any.
Please.
Serial number 12, madam.
Ah,
Office objection, petitioner belongs to Ballari anta.
ah.
Respondent number 2 ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು
Let us see, when do you want it? When do you want it?
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರು sir.
List the matter in fresh matters list along with office objection on.
15th.
Serial number 17.
Just wait, just only till 15.
15.
When do you want? Tomorrow.
10th.
Serial number 15 and I am for the private respondent.
Let
I
us
am
see.
at little day after tomorrow.
11th.
One inch. Day after tomorrow they're asking. They're asking for day after tomorrow.
11th.
Huh? Okay, let us see. There may be some urgency. We'll see what. List the matter tomorrow and fresh matters list along with office objections if any. Yes.
Vale. Fourth time, 16 to 18.
17, my lord.
Weeks time granted finally for necessary compliance. Same order.
Serial number 17, my lord.
Huh.
1 week time.
Yes.
Fifth time, serial number 19 to 28.
Weeks time granted finally for compliance of office objections. Same order.
Sixth time, 29 to 32.
1 week's time granted finally for
Serial number 21, my lord.
compliance of office objections. This the matter immediately upon compliance of office objections. Yes,
Seventh time, 33 and 34.
7th and 9th time Passover. List along with office objections at request of the petitioner on 11th.
My lordship, one submission, my lordship.
Yes.
Serial number, list number 1, serial number 49.1 with, I am filing a withdrawal memo. Liberty to file a fresh petition, my lordship.
So just 1 minute.
Serial number 35.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೂರನೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
Adjournments, list 3,
List 2, serial number 35.
page number 1 to 5.
35 ಹಾ
Complete course of the day, officer.
ಅಲ್ಲ 9th ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Only one officer.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆನೋವಲ್ವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ 9th ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Course of the day.
at request finally weeks time granted for necessary compliance. If office objections are not complied with within 1 week, list the matter in the orders list for dismissal on
17th.
17th.
List 3, page number 1, 1 to 5, page number 2, 6 to 10, page number 3, 11 to 15, page number 4, 16 to 19, page number 5, 20 to 25.
First list, my lordship, 49.1.
Kalburgi bench matter, serial number 1,
Put it.
Ravi V. Patil.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ
Liberty to file a fresh petition, my lordship.
ನೋಡು ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರು ಅದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ
ಅದೇ 49.
Kalburgi bench matter, serial number 1, Ravi B. Patil.
Kalburgi bench.
Let's appear. For withdrawal, your lordships are right, my lord. Under 109 and 110 of the RPP Act, I will have to file an application for withdrawal. Your lordships, my lord, will fix a date and I will have to get that published in the official gazette. And if there are no objections, my lord, then your lordships can dismiss it as withdrawn, my lord. Now, my lord, the only mode contemplated is that.
Otherwise, they'll in the rejection of
Yes,
they'll have to make an additional ground and then we'll have to hear it.
Yes,
and then pass an order.
Yes, I'm not, my lord, really on merits of the case, my lord.
Correct, but a procedure too.
Yes, technically, my lord, if your lordships have to look into the documents produced along with 7 Rule 11 or additional documents, that it may run counter to the provisions of the act, because I just don't want it to become a precedent, my lord, where 7 Rule 11s are filed and additional documents, and that is looked into to reject the EP. In this case, my lord, not much remains. But whether those judgments of the division bench of the High Court and, my lords, the Supreme Court will have to be marked in evidence or not. One view your lordships can take is, my lords, under the Evidence Act, those are judicial orders, therefore your lordships can look into it. There's an averment in my election petition saying, my lords, that appeal is pending. Therefore, my lords, ultimately it has culminated in a judgment. Otherwise, my lords, those are materials which are not found along with my EP. Therefore, my lords, it should be marked, my lords, that side is not.
If he comes, you just mention, I'll take it up immediately.
Please, very well. I'll inform. Oblige.
List one, fresh matters, serial number 1, Ashok R.
Take out notice.
Yes, but tenant's application, my lord, my lord, the previous judgment,
So take out notice.
my lord, page
Take out
103, my lord.
So take out notice. AGA accepts notice for respondents 5 and 6. Emergent notice to 1 to 4. Yes.
My lord,
Number 2.
interim order, okay, 103 may kindly be seen.
Page
103, my lords, in the writ appeal on the previous occasion. Para 7, my lords. We have considered the submission made by the learned counsel appellant. My lord, the previous, earlier, my lords, your lordship may kindly peruse page 96, my lords. Page 96.
No, but now what is the finding by the tribunal?
Yes, madam. 96 ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ page 96 madam. Page 96 para 20. In view of that matter, there shall be an injunction in favor of the petitioner, that is the present order of the petitioner, pending the matter of the tribunal. This is confirmed in my lord writ appeal on page 103.
Now, what is the finding by the tribunal in the present round?
In here, they have rejected the application and they don't say, my lord, I'm this thing. They have simply rejected by page. Annex N may kindly be seen.
Page?
Annex N, my lords.
Page?
Page 148, my lords.
What is the finding regarding possession?
With regard to, my lord, they are simply saying, my lord, even the person who was the landlord, his admission regarding my tenancy cannot be believed. They say, lordship may kindly peruse.
Parties to maintain.
Yes, my lord. Lordship may kindly peruse, my lord.
Just 1 minute. Parties to maintain status quo regarding possession as on date.
Yes.
2,
Yes.
Harsha Kumar Gowda.
I appear for the petition, my lord.
Take out notice. AGA accepts notice.
Respond number 1.
Respond number 1. Urgent notice to the
Respond number 2, my lord.
private response.
Much of it.
This matter, my lords. In view of, my lord, that, otherwise, my lord, they will again call us.
No, I've ordered.
Huh.
I've ordered maintenance of status
Yes.
quo. Yes.
3,
Kindly pass over, my lordship.
Serious matter.
Kindly pass over. Senior ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬರಲ್ವಾ?
That was listed Friday.
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Pass over.
Pass over. I'll take it up immediately in this after fresh matter.
4,
Yes.
Serial number 3.
Sorry, madam, second matter. Sir, third matter. Notice. My lord, the petitioner is agreed only insofar as the entry of stay order in column 11 of RTC. Though there was, according to me, there is no interim order as such. Because of that, such an entry, my lord, the mutation could not be entered in my name. Therefore, I question only that portion of the order.
The entry is found in column,
11, my lord. Annexure F, my lord.
page.
Page 34. 11. There is Durasto Court, as per order, RA number so and so, February 25, 25, so and so.
No, there is no
Court-
order, is it?
Court
There
stay.
is an order. There is no order.
According to me, I have produced the order sheet. It is at page 35. In an appeal preferred by respondents. 3 to 5, my lord. I have obtained this certificate copy of the order on 7/3/2025. I have stated so in paragraph 14 of my writ petition. As in that, my lord, there was no interim order, according to my instructions.
Can you permit to produce some documents? Malad, the appeal before the Assistant Commissioner under section 136(2) filed on 6/11/2024.
6/11.
6/11/2024. And thereafter, my lord, the gift deed executed by the respondent number 2 in the said appeal in favor of one Srimati Chaitra. So in turn, Chaitra executed the said gift deed, my lord, on 28/1/2025. So based on the gift deed, the said Chaitra executed the same deed on 13/2/2025. In my memo, the document number, page number 6 is the, sorry, page number 11 is the gifted and shaded is the page number 23 in the said writ petition. So interim order, so far as the interim order is concerned, as of the date of filing of the appeal, no interim order. The interim order granted on 12/2/2025, page number 5, kindly be seen.
12/2/2025.
12/2/2025. Page number 5, along with my documents. Sorry, page number 4, madam. Sorry, 5. Page number 5, madam. Interim order granted on 12/2/2025 after execution of the gift deed. Now, during the pendency of the appeal, now they have filed writ petition by challenging the said interim order. Now, in view of the fact that, my lord, you already filed impeding application and before the Assistant Commissioner, now they have already entered their appearance by filing wakalat. So, by respectful submission, instead of keeping the matter pending before the sub court, my lord, let them already they have appeared before the Assistant Commissioner. Let them file their objections and matter before the Assistant Commissioner.
This interim order is in operation.
Yes, please. Interim order granted on 12/2/2025 after execution of the gift deed. Page number 5 is the interim order. Page number 5 is the interim order. Gifted order, no submission.
But my lord, page 34, it says, my lord, interim order February 25/25.
Yes.
12/25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. But actually, I obtained the certificate copy of the order sheet on 7/3/2025. When this order sheet was given to me, there was no such order as such by the Assistant Commissioner. I have stated so in my writ petition at paragraph 14.
Okay, but now he is producing.
I don't know how these officials work. I don't know. I'll hack it.
Subsequent errors.
We'll make an observation that as long as it is in operation, entry will be there.
Only to that
If it is
text,
if it is modified, needless to state, revenue authorities to take note of the same and.
Yes, ma'am.
The present petition has been filed. To set aside the entry in column 11 of RTC in respect of land bearing survey number 86/2B measuring 8 guntas situated at Chikka Timmasandra village, Sarjapura Hobli, Anikal Taluk. Full stop. It is submitted that the entry in column 11 operates prejudicially as regards the rights of the petitioner. Counsel for the respondent has filed a memo and submits that an interim order was passed on 7/3/25.
12 to 2025.
On
12 to 2025. Urgent the case to 7/3, but interim order granted on 12/2. Top live date and things.
And that interim order was passed on 12
to 2025.
12/2/25 and has been in operation as on date. Full stop. In taking note that the proceedings are pending before the appellate authority, petition could be disposed of while observing that in the event of any modification of the interim order passed, needless to state, revenue authorities to make appropriate entry in column 11. Accordingly, petition is disposed of, all contentions are kept open.
4, Nataraj Bella, Ajay Prabhu.
In this case, the connected petition, state has taken a stand saying that there is some documents are fabricated. My learned friend, since in his matter, they have already filed the objections, my lord, he has filed applications seeking for an inquiry, my lord, because these grants are of the year 1986. Now, RTC entries are also available, my lord, despite which, my lord, now the state comes up with a stand saying that, my lord, it is all fabricated. How the villagers would fabricate a document of the year 1986, my lord, has to be investigated. He has filed an application because in my state petitions, they did not file the counter yet.
I have filed 2 applications in my petition.
Stated categorically as to why they should not be a genuine grant, the documents rely on them. I'm not telling you because the serial number with the grant do not match. You've given detailed explanation. On the last occasion, in fact, the original record was produced before the Supreme Court. Although it is not recorded in the order sheet, there was a suggestion made that it could possibly be forwarded to the DC validation of these documents. My lord, although it's not recorded, thereafter the Tehsildar has written a communication to the DC to this, coming to place that on record and valid along with the submission will be, my lord, before the recommendation, defense taking like this case, the lordship will go in line. The proceedings may continue before the DC. For invalidation of these documents, the petitioners can produce their documents and have the same.
My lord, before investigation, my lord, if they, my lord, destroy the entire documents, my lord, it will, my lord, prejudice the case of petitioners.
The order proceedings, the petitioner may be directed to issue notice to it and participate.
My lord, before that, my lord, my applications, I have filed 2 applications for directions, my lord.
No, that's what we're ordering now.
Please.
So you go and participate in the inquiry.
My lord,
Now, what is this? This is the report of the, correct, report of the Tehsildar. Just read the relevant. Yes.
Take a mirror and there, which should be like follows. Ajamura Kalkan, Kasama, Hopari, Southern Hamani, Ramsar, Surya, 76, Talim, Sahar, MR 16 to also vertical, Tala 4, Ikari, 20 acres, Jamino, Manjurati, Agate, so Anadi with the documentation and Tata, place the documentation. We know that Ajamura Kalkan, Kasama, Hopari, Gunda, Hopina, Ramsar, survey numbers 1 to 82 acre, ಮತ್ತು ಬಸವನ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ 28 acre ಒಟ್ಟು 28 ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ 110 acres ಎಂದು ಅನಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮಾಸನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ
No, now you participate in this inquiry.
Lord, it is, my lord, my direction is different, lord. Lord, I sought for direction to initiate department inquiry. My lord, the Tehsildar's allegation is, my lord, only.
That we'll see. First, you participate in this inquiry. I'll keep the matter pending.
We will, yes,
I'll
sir,
keep
we
the
will
matter.
participate.
I'll
Matter
keep
may
the
be kept pending, my lord.
matter will be kept pending. You participate in the inquiry proposed by the DC and let us see what happens. And then we'll take a call. What
Please,
is
my lord.
According to Tashildar, my lord, these, my lord, the unauthorized act has taken place between September to December. Only that period, my lord, that allegation is made.
Let us see, they've also given a police complaint, so that we'll see separately. Now you participate in this proposed inquiry and let them give a report.
Please.
Because here they say survey number 76. Ours is survey number 3 and 2. They themselves are
No,
not.
but what is this last paragraph?
They want to destroy it.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 46 ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಫರ್ಮಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಹಾಗೂ ಜಮೀನು ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರುವ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೋಶಾಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸುವಂತೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 157 ಎಕರೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಇದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶಪಡಿಸುವುದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. This is for invalidation of the document.
No, correct, but that at the end of the inquiry, you can do it, but you have to keep it, you can keep it in a sealed cover separately. And maybe it's not accessible, but you have to make an index, inventory, and keep it separately. But you must wait till the final inquiry report of the proposed inquiry is done. Now who is proposed to hold the inquiry now? Now this is the report of the Tahsildar, isn't it? Now this is addressed to
DC.
DC. So now if you intend to hold an inquiry, we will observe and pass an order.
This is only pursuant to the operations being board, there is no order as such.
No, correct. Now this is the report of the Tahsildar. Now you want to verify it, you are subjecting genuineness, etc. Then you take a stand to hold an inquiry, we will order. File a report.
May I submit one?
Yes, sir.
Lord, let them not destroy any documents.
That will direct. That will direct. I don't remember what happened last time. This is a problem with judges, but anyhow.
No, not before my lords, my lord. Not before my lords.
Not.
No.
Thank God. I thought I'm suddenly
No.
suffering from some amnesia.
Lord, he has,
HEA
the
has
present
filed-
Tashildar has alleged against his own officers.
Let us see.
But
Higher ups.
no disciplinary officer, my lord,
No, let
has
us
been
see.
held.
Let us see. The AGA files along with the memo, report of the Tahsildar addressed to the Deputy Commissioner. Tahsildar has opined that there are certain discrepancies regarding orders of grant and revenue entries. And revenue entries relied upon by the petitioner. Full stop. AGA submits that on the basis of the said report of the Tahsildar, there would be a necessity of holding a full-fledged inquiry regarding genuineness of the documents. Full stop. In light of the same, Deputy Commissioner is directed to hold an inquiry, and in such inquiry, the petitioners are also to be given notice to place before the authority certified copies of documents in their possession and other documents evidencing either the grant or the other revenue entries which according to the authorities required to be subjected to scrutiny. Full stop. Needless to state that all records in the office of the respondent authorities must be kept intact till conclusion of such inquiry. Observations in the Tahsildar at the last paragraph that documents are required to be destroyed is a matter is not to be acted upon till final decision is taken by the court in the present proceedings. Full stop. The Deputy Commissioner to hold an inquiry and submit report within a period of 3 months. 3 months. The petitioners may be notified of date on which they have to appear before the Deputy Commissioner.
Until then, let them not disturb us.
Yeah, needless to state,
They have in fact never in possession. They cash out.
that.
Planted sampling in the year 2014. 3 years happened. They've never been in possession. Because for the regarding possession, so they have themselves taken possession in 2014. There were attempts made earlier to disturb the state, and then they have planted a point. They may say that they've been in possession. Our records is still in possession.
Lord,
in my
but now,
petition,
even 2014, you say 11 years they're in possession.
My lord, they're not in possession. We get the date from only last year that
no.
Huh?
and we started that it was only last year that they planted. They attempts earlier.
Lord, it is in my case, my lord, that they have taken that contention. My lord, I have categorically stated that, my lord, I have, my lord, started that, my lord, before that I was, you know, growing some other crop. Now I am growing, my lord, this arachidonate crop. Lord,
Since how long you are growing arecanut?
Lord, I have photographs to show that, my lord.
Since how long?
Plantation.
Lord, since even before grand, my lord, we were doing, my lord, the agriculture there, my lord.
Where is the satellite image?
Page 13, 12 on. 10 on. Thereafter, dates are different. Top. From page 9 to 14 are satellite images for different years. And then at page 15, which is RG, is the spot marker to last year. But marker is also produced by
So this you are saying is in this writ petition, that is 7533. Correct, sir.
Even prior to that, with looking at the land, we saw that they were trying to encroach on the land. So this sequence of events has been that while the inquiry was on, there was the first petition, which is 7533. And thereafter, we issued notices under 192, which completely challenged in the other petition. That is 15130.
You are different, I am different.
Now this according to you in serial number 4, it's vacant.
Lord, I have enclosed.
Huh? Yes. Now that according to you is vacant or what?
They were not in cultivation. They were in continuous cultivation as they have came. The lands is moving so empty. Also, the satellite images show that it is contrary to the conventions urged by.
Lord, in my petition, my lord, I have got 5 petitioners with photographs, my lord.
No, otherwise we'll have to appoint a commissioner to verify that. We'll appoint a commissioner to verify regarding possession, and within 2 weeks, let a report be given on that.
Lord, in fact, my lord, the marger which is prepared by the Tashildar, to that witnesses are, my lord, local political, my lord, influence.
No, let us see now.
Where against whom, my lord, I already filed the
Correct.
FIR.
We'll see.
But in
Now,
my case, just pass on these photographs.
just wait. So, yes, file it along with the memo. Cody.
Yes,
But I placed my photographs along with my petition.
So now in 4, we'll appoint a commissioner to verify on the spot in the presence of both. Now, what about 4.1?
Lord, I
my
placed,
lord, these are the petitioners in 4.1, my lord. Not all of them, but few of the 5 of them I have produced, my lord.
4.1 is pertaining to survey number 2 as well as
Survey number 3, my lord, both.
4 is survey number 3. And according to you, survey number 3 is vacant. 3 and 2.
we're saying that government land, they're not in position, they do not have grounds, they're all fabricated. It's a standard.
Correct, but what about this? Cody Manjana. Government educate about those.
and my lord, kindly see, my lord, my petition, my lord, page number 21.
Yes.
These are saplings that have been, the 4-year saplings which have been planted. The height of the trees.
No, correct, but
But according to Tashildar, my lord, the illegal, my lord, action has been taken from September to December of 2024.
no, that's why I'll say status quo. Now, if it is vacant land, then so be it. You don't allow them to put anything. If already there is something, you'll have to await the outcome of an inquiry. But don't do any fresh development. Whatever is there is there.
Yes.
After hearing the last same continuation, after hearing the matter for some time, it would be appropriate to direct parties to maintain status quo as on date. It is clarified that if there have been arecanut trees,
Yes,
trees,
It is
in my case,
arecanut and coconut saplings planted as claimed by the petitioners in the present petitions. Needless to state, same is permitted while clarifying no fresh plantation to be made. If certain pockets of the land are vacant, it has to be maintained in the same condition, same status. Relist. Now you get your report and place it before the court. Yes.
One submission.
Yes.
My lord, of the report maybe has called for, my lord, what action they have taken against the officials, my lord.
No, that we'll see.
Because, my lord, the Tashildar himself has filed complaint against his officials.
Because Deputy Commissioner also to advert in the report regarding complaints, if any, filed before the police authorities, outcome of such complaints, as well as action, if any, initiated against the officials. Correct. So that you place a status of. Yes.
Correct.
Oblige.
You file those photographs with the memo.
I'll file it.
Both sides to file photographs within 3 days from today. Within 3 days from today with the registry showing the present status of the property. Yes.
My lord, all the petitioners.
Yes. Both sides must file.
The petitioners by me in this matter. Now in this matter, what had happened was
Fresh matter, is it?
fresh matter.
Hmm.
The land tribunal passes an order of grant or grant of occupancy rights against the dead person, which was not known to the.
Correct. Now we'll fix a date and dispose it.
Yes, madam. The notice has to go to the.
Emergent notice to respondent 1 and 2. AGA accepts notice for respondents 3 to 7. Petitioner
Status
submits-
cast to alienation, my lord. I will not ask for any other.
Petitioner submits that the order at annexure.
Order at annexure. Yeah, my lord.
No, but after how many years you have challenged?
Yes, my lord. That I will submit, my lord, on as to the delay.
No, 1975.
Yes, my
order.
lord. Yes, my lord.
Then
The
no-
reason is this.
No, correct. So we are taking out notice. Let us-
Listen. The only submission is.
No.
That there is status quo as to alienation, my lord. I will
No,
not ask for any other.
Not after 40 years, 50 years. Let us see. We'll see. Yes.
6, Rupesh Api.
Previous matter.
Lord, I'm filing an amendment application to.
Amendment application is filed.
Amendment and impleading, my lord.
Same is taken on record. In light of the government's made, said application is allowed. Application filed under order 1 rule 10 is at the stage when notice is not issued on the petition. In light of the same, said application is allowed, necessary cause title to be amended.
Amended
AGA
petition.
accepts notice. AGA accepts notice for respondents 1 to 3, my lord. 1 to 3, and the newly added 5th respondent. Emergent notice to the 4th respondent. Amended petition to be filed and amendment to be carried out.
Amended petition is ready, my lord. I will carry out my amendment now itself.
Amended petition is taken on record. Yes.
Status quo, my lord, in respect of
Let us see, 2012 order, let us see. Let
7.
them get instruction, we'll see. Yes.
Kiran, 7.
Any date, my lord?
Relist the matter in the week commencing from. Yes.
7. Kiran,
My lord, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಾಗ ಒತ್ತುವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ
Let's see. AGA accepts notice for the respondents. Necessary stand to be taken in writing within 2 weeks. Needless to state, if upon verification, it is found that there is encroachment as asserted, the respondent authorities are at liberty to take the necessary proceedings as per law. Full stop. List the matter in the week commencing from. AGA accepts notice for the respondent.
Please, my lord.
8. Serial number 8, Narendra.
8, my lord, I'll accept notice for all respondents.
AGA accepts notice for the respondents. List the matter in the preliminary hearing list in the week commencing from.
5th of January.
Yes.
9. Nandakumar. PL Nandakumar.
Take out notice.
Not for interim stay also.
Concurrent findings. Concurrent findings by both authorities.
Lord, in this
Concurrent findings
yes,
by
ma'am.
both the authorities.
Both authorities, yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yeah. Lord,
So you take out notice, let us,
Okay.
I'll keep it open. AGA accepts notice for response 1 to 4.
5th respondent.
Emergent notice to the 5th respondent. Yes.
10.
One submission, right?
Yes.
This because likely to create third party interest in this matter. That's all.
No, concurrent findings, no. Oh. Now needless to
But,
state.
but
if-
let there be a status quo, at least, my lord. So, because there is a possibility of.
That will be subject to order. Any action taken by the private respondents would be subject to orders to be passed.
Yes.
10.
Let us see.
Lord, rest time, my lord. Senior is out of station.
Huh?
Senior counsel is out of station, so it may be listed after vacation, my lord.
Why did you move the matter?
Senior was there, but immediately
Relist the matter.
some urgency.
Relist the matter in the fresh matters list in the week commencing from.
5th of January.
Yes.
10, 11, serial number 11, Srinivas. Aruni.
This writ petition has been filed by the petitioners in respect of a temple, my lord. Bailu Basveshwara temple, which is in existence for more than 150 years.
Let them find out. Let them find out.
Please, my lord.
AG accepts notice.
Lord.
The respondents 1, 2, 4. PDO Muttanallur. Emergent notice to the respondents 5 to 7. Relist the matter.
All right, sought for stay of annexure P, my
No,
lord.
let us see. They have to get instructions.
Please.
Relist the matter in the orders list on.
17.
Please.
12, Jairaj GS.
With your Lordship's permission, I represent the petitioner. The matter can be disposed of. I'm seeking only a direction. Your Lordships may kindly see page 18 is my prayer to consider my representation at annexure A.
12.
Kimmat price is sought to be, my lords, remitted by the petitioner.
Now let them find out.
Please, please.
Please for the respondent. List the matter in the preliminary hearing list in the week commencing from. Yes.
I'm grateful.
13. 13, Manjulati.
Writ of certiorari against the AC and DC order, madam. Within.
Concurrent findings. Huh?
Yes, madam. They are
Take out
rejected.
notice. Take out notice. AG accepts notice for response 1 to 4. Emergent notice to the private respondents. Relist in the week commencing from.
Apologies to my lord. Cell number 5, my lord. File can be called for so that it will be easier. File from the land.
So now let them in 5 AGA to procure records.
Sorry.
15, Prakash K.
I'll take notice.
Bit of mandamus to the respondents.
AGA accepts notice.
All respondents.
For the respondents.
16,
Is the matter in the preliminary hearing list in the week commencing from. Yes.
Mandamus to transfer Kata based on a registered sale deed.
AGA accepts notice for the respondents. List the matter in the preliminary hearing list in the week commencing from.
5th of January. 17. 17, Manohar.
Under PTCL Act, an order has been passed.
You are the
Purchaser, my lord.
first sale which year?
First sale, my lord, it has taken place almost 25 years ago. It has been challenged and the
First sale is when? When was the first sale?
please, my lord, the first sale to only one sale, my lord, it has taken place.
9/4/2001.
One.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Then proceedings were initiated.
Now, my lord, the proceedings have been initiated before in 24.
Now both AC and DC hold against.
Yes.
In light of the contention that the first sale was in the year 9/4/2001 and proceedings for restoration were initiated after undue delay in the year 2023. There would be stay of the orders at annexure
G and F.
G and F.
Please.
And proceedings pursuant thereto. AGA accepts notice for the respondents. 1 to 3. Emergent notice to the fourth respondent.
18, Mahesh.
The petitioner in this case, mandamus, the two persons were granted, annexure A may kindly be seen for a moment. Two persons were granted occupancy rights And in respect of the another grantee, my lord, kindly see annexure E for a moment, page number 36. There is a direction issued by this honorable court to consider the representation for change of kata. In the similar line, my lord, the petitioner has also filed the representation.
AGA.
My lord, there's an alternate remedy here. Endorsement is now given, my lord, they'll have to challenge it before
Endorsement?
page 36 and page 37. Are two endorsements that are given, my lord, annexure H and J.
It is not my case. Sorry, sir, not my case.
AGA accepts notice for the respondents. Instructions to be completed and stand to be taken.
Annexure E, page
Deal
36.
is the matter in the week commencing from
12th of January.
Yes.
19, Satish DJ, 19.
Sorry.
Endorsement, page number 37. At the end, the petitioner father has acquired the property through one registered partition deed way back in the year 1971. The encumbrance is also reflected in the stands in the name of the father of the petitioner. And subsequently, the RTCs was also entered in the name of the petitioner. After demise of the father of the petitioner, we make a representation. The entries were changed on the basis of the demise of her father. That endorsement has been issued saying that
take
it is
in
not
writing.
found the original record.
That you take your stand in writing, let us say. AGA.
There's an alternate remedy, my lord, to
No,
this.
correct,
endorsement.
but now you are saying that the documents are not there. He has some documents. So you take it in writing with
Please.
AGA to take the stand in writing within 2 weeks from today. AGA accepts notice for response 1, 2, 3. Relist after winter vacation.
In the meanwhile, status quo will be maintained because the RTC stands in the name of the government, which is my father property.
No, but since when it is in the government's name?
But I don't know. Easy answer.
So let us see.
The endorsement is saying that only not found the records.
Can we say not to create third party rights?
Please.
Lordship may have it day after tomorrow or something, my lord, I can get instructions in this.
Relist the matter in the preliminary
Tuesday may be given.
hearing list on
16th.
Yes.
Please.
20.
Let's. Petitioner succeeded 3 property by ancestor millets in 3 different survey numbers. One extent millets I have 2 acres, another extent had 11 guntas, and another extent only 13 guntas millets. Out of that millets, what had happened millets, in one survey number millets, my name is mentioned as Parameshwara. Another survey number, while mutating millets, my name mentioned as Mahesh. That is why I made a representation for the assistant commissioner. Assistant commissioner directed the Tahsildar to secure particular records with respect to the name is concerned and pass suitable orders. Now, the Tahsildar given an endorsement stating that you have to go before the KAT. The thing is, I have produced my family tree, my father has 2 male children, among myself and one other Manjunath millets.
AG accepts notice. The response. Stand to be taken in writing within 2 weeks. This is the matter after winter vacation. Yes.
21.
For the petitioner in this matter.
For production.
Annexure A, my lord.
Just 1 minute. I1 of 2025 be taken along with the main. IA2 of 2025 is allowed in petitioner dispense with production of certified copy of annexure K, subject to the undertaking that the same would be produced in due course.
For the petitioner, this is in respect of survey number 213, my lord. The Podi survey was conducted in the year 1956, my lord. Subdivided 213 into 1 and 2, my lord. 2 belonging to me and another 1 is belonging to other. After Podi survey, my lord, the father of the respondent number 5 to 10, they have purchased the other portion and Podi survey was conducted. And after Podi survey, only they have purchased the property, my lord. After lapse of 68 years, my lord, they filed application before for Podi, the resurvey of the land. because the POD survey has not been conducted properly and they have not assigned any reason. The second respondent has rejected the petition, my lord. And against that appeal has been filed before the first respondent. First respondent allowed the petition and order for fresh POD survey after lapse of 67 years.
This is the annexure A.
Annexure A, my lord.
In light of the contention that the OD proceedings with respect to survey number 213 was initially conducted in the year
1956.
56, and that the present order is at the instance of the private respondents who seek to alter the earlier POD proceedings after 60 years.
67 years.
67 years. There would be stay of the order at annexure A. AGA accepts notice for respondents 1 to 5. Emergent notice to the private respondents.
Kumar?
Appeal for petitioner, my lord. A land in survey number 6, my lord, was granted in favor of my grandfather, my lord, a Munishwami, my lord, annexure A, my lord, in 1927, my lord, annexure A, my lord. Thereafter, that land was ported, my lord, into survey number 91 and 92, my lord. Survey number 91 allotted to my grandfather Munishwami, my lord. Survey number 92 was allotted in favor of my brother of my grandfather, my lord, Ramaya, survey number 92. But my lord, thereafter, my lord, though they are possession of their respective lands, my lord, but column number 9 of the RTC was mentioned as 91 instead of 92.
Now you take out notice.
Yes, my lord, submission, my lord. The respondent's father Chikannappa, my lord, though he is a stranger, by taking advantage of similarity of his father's name, my lord, he filed an application before the Assistant Commissioner, my lord, at annexure K, my lord, without making us a party, and got the order seeking to interchange the name of their father in the RTC's, my lord. After coming to know this order, my lord, I filed an appeal before the revision petition before the Deputy Commissioner, annexure P, my lord. Annexure P. DC order, my lord.
Now you claim through whom?
No, the property belonged to my grandfather, my lord. The respondent's father, Chikannappa, my lord, though he is a stranger, by taking advantage of similarity of my father's name, has filed an application before the Assistant Commissioner, seeking to interchange the name in RTC of survey number 9192. That was allowed, my lord.
Just one. Now who is Ramaya now?
Ramaya is my mother Munishwami's brother, my lord, my grandfather's brother, who has been granted a land in survey number 92.
You have entries in which survey number?
I am possession and the land was granted in my grandfather's survey number 91.
91.
91, my lord. 92 was granted in favor of Ramaya.
What is your grandfather's name?
Munishwami, my lord. Is my father's name Chikkibidappa, my lord. KLC, my lord. Annexure, RTC, my lord. Annexure. Page number 46, my lord. Page number 46. Idರಲ್ಲಿ, my lord, ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು 9 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕತಾದನ ಹೆಸರು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್, my lord, column number 12, my lord, where Chikkabidappa, my father's name is mentioned. Till today, RTC continued in my father's name, Chikkabidappa, pursuant to the death of my grandfather, my lord, Chikkabidappa.
Now, after the RA order, any change is done or not yet?
Not been done, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, recent RTC, my lord, at page number, my lord, annexure L, my lord.
There would be a direction of maintenance of status quo.
Not status quo, my lord. Status quo means, my lord,
regarding revenue entries as on date.
My lord,
Revenue entries in your name.
Because column number 12, my name is forthcoming, my lord. But pursuant to the AC's order, column number 9 has been changed.
That's why I asked you.
Let them, my lord.
Whose name it is?
My lord, the order in the DC, my lord, to approach the civil court, my lord. I filed a declaration suit before the.
Correct. Now that order of the ACA is passed in 2014.
Yes, my lord. 2014.
Now what interim order?
No, my lord, not to dispose this, my lord. My lord, kindly see, my lord, the recent RTC, my lord.
Why did you keep quiet for 11 years?
Well, I don't know, my lord, the passing of the order, my lord. Kindly see recent RTC, my lord. At page number, my lord, 119 ಮಿಲರ್ 119 RTC of the 23-24
Page?
page 119 119 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಿಲಾಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ.
No, that's all.
My father's name reflecting ಮಿಲಾಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ.
No, now entry stand in your name.
In column number 12 is concerned, my name is forthcoming, my lord. For column number 9, pursuant to the order passed by the Assistant Commissioner, a name of the respondent father was forthcoming, my lord, mutated.
So we'll restrain him from creating third party rights. That's all I can say.
My possession will be protected, my lord, till then, my lord.
I will not enter into that question. Only entries. In ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Entries and the private respondents are restrained from creating any third party rights.
In the meantime, my lord, my possession may be protected, my lord.
I said whatever you think that you see. AGA is directed to accept 1 to 3 response 1 to 3, emergent notice to 4 to 20.
23, Subramania HV.
Writ of mandamus, my lord, to consider the annexure F, G and H. My lord, there is a burial ground in survey number 21/3 of Shirvara village, which stands in the name of R5. And my lord, more than 300 years, my lord, the villagers and these petitioners' ancestors, they have buried the dead body. I have produced the photograph, my lord, that annexure J, my lord. Even, my lord, this respondent number 5, he made an attempt to demolish the samadhis, and on 28/3/2025, as per annexure B, my lord, a complaint is came to be lodged by the villagers to the police inspector.
Now that land belongs to whom?
R5, my lord, respondent number 5. And after lodging the complaint also, my lord, he came and he has given the statement before the police stating that, my lord, if the alternative land is allotted to him, he will not go into trouble. Even I have produced the statement given by the R5 before the police, my lord, annexure page number 20, so page number 20. And page number 20 nalli he has given the statement, my lord, if the separate land is allotted to page number 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ relevant.
Yes.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಮೀನು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ he has given the statement before the police. And the police have given the endorsement stating that, my lord, we have to approach the court. Subsequently, my lord, we have given the representation to the deputy commissioner and also executive officer.
Just read the relevant paragraphs of that statement.
Page number 21, my lord.
Yes.
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರುಗಳು ನಾವುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿ ಸೇರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನ ನೀವು ಸಮಾಧಿಗಳು ಪೂಜೆ ಪುನಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜೆ ಪುನಸ್ಕಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು, ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರು ನಾವುಗಳು ಅನ್ಯೋನ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕೋಣವೆಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಾಜಿ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ ಸದರಿ ಜಮೀನಿ ಬದಲು ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣವುಳ್ಳ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಕಂದಾಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪನವರಾದ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ. ಹಾಲಿ ಸ್ಮಶಾನವಿರುವ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸ್ಮಶಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ನಾನೇ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ದಾರ ಸಮಕ್ಷಮ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಖುದ್ದು ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. This is the statement given before by the R5 before the police, my lord. Police subsequently, my lord, they have issued an endorsement as per annexure E, page number 22. And then, my lord, we have given the representation to the deputy commissioner and also, my lord, executive officer and also chief executive officer of Jilla Panchayat Bengaluru Rural as per annexure F, G and H, my lord. Though, my lord, we have given, it is not considered. And now, my lord, our apprehension is, since, my lord, no steps have been taken by the respondent number 2 to 4 to consider our representation, we have apprehension, my lord, again, the fifth respondent may demolish the samadhis which are existing in the said land. And even I have produced the photograph, my lord, annexure J, my lord, page number 29 ಇದೆ ಇದು 300 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 80 ಸಮಾಧಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
AGA is directed to accept notice for respondents 1 to 3. Chief Executive Officer, Bangalore Rural, Manjunath. Chief Executive Officer, Bangalore Rural District. Joint Council MS Devraj is directed to accept notice for fourth respondent, emergent notice to fifth respondent. In the interregnum, the respondent number 5 is restrained from destroying any of the tombstones or meddling with the property in survey number 21/3, which is stated to be used as a burial ground till the next date. You see what can be done. No, now, no, correct.
I have, put-
Now they, in effect, it appears that the land belongs to fifth respondent, but there's no burial ground. So they are all burying, some it has gone on for many years. So now either you notify that as a burial ground, and then that fellow is seeking for some alternative land that you examine. Yes.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ there are 3 other lands, my lord, which are ದರ್ಖಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Even I have produced the party before the court. Annexure 6ರಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಎಕರೆ 15 ಎಕರೆ ದರ್ಖಾಸ್ ಅಂತ till it is there, my lord, in the same village. They can grant those land to that party.
You get a relinquishment deed from him for the grave. Examine it, and you get a relinquishment deed, and some land equivalent to that you can consider. Yes.
24, Leela P.
Your Lordship, I appear for petitioner. Lordship, I purchased the land in the year 1995. Thereafter, Your Lordship, revenue entries changed into my name. Then, Your Lordship, since from 2001 onwards, Your Lordship, due to the computerization of the RTC, Your Lordship, my name was discontinued. Your Lordship, then, Your Lordship, many occasions I approached the Tashildar. He did not change the revenue entries. Then, Your Lordship, I approached the Assistant Commissioner, filed an appeal. Then, Assistant Commissioner, Your Lordship, by an order at Annexure B, Your Lordship, may kindly see page number 13. It is filed against the Tashildar, and wherein, Your Lordship, the Assistant Commissioner directed the Tashildar to conduct an inquiry and effect the kata and meted the revenue entries into my name. Till today, Your Lordship, afterwards, Your Lordship, again I submitted representation as per Annexure C, page number 19, my lord. Till today, Your Lordship, they have not considered it. There is a clear direction, Your Lordship, at page number 17, stating that, Your Lordship.
AG accepts notice for the respondent. Respondents. Is the matter in the preliminary hearing list in the week commencing from
5th of January.
Yes.
25, Manjunath Priya, 25.
I represent the petitioners, my lord. But the similar matter had come up before my lords, my lordships have passed an order. This is also very same survey number, my lord. But we have a sale deed in the year 2005. My vendors had a sale deed in the year 1949. Now, my lord, the Tahsildar issues a notice stating that we have encroached upon the government land. But in the year 2011, my lord, Annexure L, but the government had notified the land for acquisition of formation of Nice Road. But we had preferred a writ petition before this honorable court. And my lord, the Advocate General has made submission before this honorable court, my lord, which is at page number 72. Page number 72, my lord. 8th line from top, my lord, page number 72. The learned Advocate General has categorically made it clear that area of 84 acres 14 guntas notified does not include the land which was already granted in favor of petitioners, and they are not at all touching any portions of the lands which are already granted in favor of grantees by virtue of order dated at Annexure A.
It is AG accepts notice for the respondents. Taking note of the notice of 12/11/2025 and the submission that there was no survey in the presence of the petitioners before notice at Annexure A was issued. The respondent authorities not to take any precipitative steps pursuant to Annexure A, while the respondents are at liberty to carry out a survey after notice to the petitioners. AJ accepts notice for the respondents. necessary the report to be filed thereafter. Relist the matter in the week commencing from.
But the connected matter is being listed on 15th, but it may kindly be tagged along with writ petition 35048 of 2025.
List along with WP number
35048 of 2025.
35048 of
2025, my lord.
2025.
26, Saraswati, yeah? 26.
Sitting for petitioner in this matter. In last occasion, the government advocate was directed to seek instructions.
Require a week's time. Require a week's time to get in.
Or you want to take stand in writing?
Please, I'll do that.
AGA is directed to take stand in writing within 2 weeks.
Interim order.
The interim direction, the interim order passed on 5/12/2025 is extended till then. List the matter after winter vacation.
27. Kalyan Basuraj, 27.
The allegations of land grabbing and encroachment, the complaint was made to the Lokayukta against the Tahsildar saying that he is not taking any action. Taking cue from that case being registered against him by Lokayukta, Tahsildar immediately comes to the spot and marks the property and threatens to take over the property. Kindly see page number 85, my lord. The deputy Tahsildar raised to the Tahsildar saying that immediately after 85. Pair number 2, my lord.
Yes.
ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2ರ ಸೂಚನೆಯಂತೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಭೂಮಾಪಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಯೋಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ದಿರಿಸುವ ಜಮೀನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಥಳ ತನಿಖೆಗೊಂಡು ನಕ್ಷೆ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 26ರಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣದ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವ ಕಾಲುದಾರಿಯ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ರಲ್ಲಿರುವ 1 ಎಕರೆ ಒತ್ತುವರಿ.
You're reading annexure K.
J, my lord. This property was purchased in the year 1949 by my father. Paragraph 2.
Yes.
ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2ರ ಸೂಚನೆಯಂತೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಭೂಮಾಪಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಯೋಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ದಿರಿಸುವ ಜಮೀನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಥಳ ತನಿಖೆಗೊಂಡು ನಕ್ಷೆ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 26ರಿಂದ ದಕ್ಷಿಣದ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವ ಕಾಲುದಾರಿಯ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ರಲ್ಲಿರುವ 1 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಗಡಿಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಅನುಬಂಧ 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಛಾಯಾಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಿದೆ. ಸದರಿ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಯ್ಯರವರು ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಬೆಳೆಯು ಕಟಾವು ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸದರಿ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುವುದು. My lord, my respectful submission is the Tahsildar now lacks jurisdiction to proceed in the matter on the allegations of land grabbing or encroachment. Now the entire issue